Mr. Warden, have you tried and tested any of the handcuffs in the ASP Identifier Handcuff Correction series? The perfect handcuffs for your correctional detainees, aren't they? Be they yellow or pink, they will surely designate your subjects as under prison custody. That being said, Warden, let's add something more to your options, shall we? Here's another ASP Identifier restraint system with a color that will tag and designate your detainees in incarceration as generally prisoners. Why? Well, it matches well with the emblematic color of prisoner uniform. Presenting from Armament Systems and Procedures Incorporated, the ASP High-Strength Stainless Steel Identifier Handcuffs Orange. Also available in chain configuration, the ASP High-Strength Stainless Steel Identifier Hinge Handcuffs Orange is designed for the use of correctional agencies and facilities, of which functions include the legitimized use of force to maintain order and discipline within the prison and provide tactical response in emergencies such as assaults and riots, among others. Because of its hinge structure, it gives you better control of your subjects, especially resistive and violent ones. The orange identifier collar will not crack, chip, or fade. It is a structural component of the handcuff frames and will last the life of the cuffs. Here are its features: carbon steel bow, permanent frame collar, stainless steel keyway, high visibility double lock indicator, and 4-point hinge pivot structure. All edges of the frame, plate, and bow are radiused, that is, rounded or curved to minimize the risk of nerve damage. The conical geometry of the carbon steel bows permits the cuffs to fit both large and small subjects. Like all the restraints in the ASP handcuff series, its design and structure are unitized, meaning condensed into a single-piece composite frame made of stainless steel overmolded with ordnance military-grade polymer through 75 tons of pressure. The flex frame technology renders the cuff strong yet flexible, making the application easy during confrontations and reducing the risk of potential injury caused by excessive lateral stress. It features interchangeable lock sets that can be upgraded to a 2-pole high security or a 3-pole European, adding further security against shimming and making it virtually impossible to pick. The restraints also feature a keyway and a highly visible double lock indicator on each restraint. Both double and single locks are released by turning the key in a single direction. Go order these orange hinge handcuffs at Crime Solutions store for your correctional detainees at a very affordable price. ASP, protecting those who protect.